Hello and welcome to my channel. I decided to travel to the remote area of Moscow to explore it and to see it for myself. How does this neighborhood looks and how is it different from central area of Moscow? I found this interesting, unusual metro station. It's really wide, it has really open space, and it's really unusual because there are warriors hiding behind the columns. Look at this. And let me show you this area as well. So this area is called Izmailova, and we're gonna explore the remote neighborhood. Look at this, there are warriors here with guns, with shotguns. And if you follow different channels, on YouTube about Russia, you saw these very beautiful, interesting stations with a lot of ornaments, a lot of design, but this station is kind of unique. It's not rich in different aspects, different design aspects, but you can see I'm kind of shaken standing here because it's a lot of height. So let's go outside and explore this neighborhood. Let's see, the rain is starting. Local artists, local singers here. Let me know if the sound is okay, because there are a lot of different noises here. I just walked outside of the station and immediately decided that I need to show it to you, so you could see how Moscow is different from the city center. Here I can see the Burger King fast food chain. It's still in Russia. You can see these big buildings. I assume it's Soviet, some hotels or something. Yeah, I can see a Russian name, Gostinitsa, it means hotel. Check it out, guys. So we're gonna explore this area because many of you asked me to film the areas of which is located not in the center of city, which is not famous, not touristic. So I'm gonna do it right now, and we're gonna check it out. How is it safe or not? Whether it's clean or not? Because of course in a city center it's clean, it's nice, but we're gonna find out if it's any different in a remote location. I took a metro station from city center and it took me more than half an hour. Today, the weather today is overcast and it's kind of cold and windy, strong wind. I hope you can hear me fine because I have this microphone, but anyways, it picks up the noise, wind noise, so let me know if you hear me okay. Here's the pyramid with a fountain. There is a train outside of this building. I can see it, but camera won't pick it up because it's far away. Here is the fitness club with a pool. Okay. People wearing kind of open clothes. It's not cold today, but it's windy and the wind is cold, but the temperature is not cold. So can you see these paintings, this, I don't know how do you call it. It's volumetric and it's from Soviet era. Different. Oh, I can see the cosmonaut, I can see flying people, I can see stars. What do you see? Let me know in the comments. What do you see out of this art? A week ago it was cold. It was like early spring, and people were upset about having such cold summer. 2 days ago it became really warm. It became like a true summer days. But today it's again windy and overcast. So, but weather forecast has it that it's gonna be really warm. It's gonna be hot summer. So what do you think so far about this neighborhood? I can see that it's really clean. There is no paper, no garbage. There are cafes. No signs of dangerous criminal people. Flowers, as always. There are flowers everywhere in Russia. And they're natural, not plastic. Oh, look at this. I can see wooden old building. But I'm gonna show you something else that I see here. I'm gonna show you the Kremlin, but not the Kremlin that stays on a red square right in the heart of Moscow, but there is another Kremlin. It's called Izmailova Kremlin, and I've been here during the winter, so I want to see how it looks now. I'm heading there, and this building is gonna surprise you. It's like from a fairy tale. You're gonna see it and you're gonna be shocked. I guarantee you. I can see it clearly right now, so let me show you. Let me zoom in. Ta-da! It looks like some painting from a cartoon, from a fairy tale. And I'm increasing my pace to be there, so you won't be anticipated for seeing it, because I'm gonna show it and you're gonna love it. Look at this. Today is the Sunday and I expect people to attend it. I expect crowds. Just look at it. Look at this cannon painted in Russian ornaments. And small cannons on the ground. It looks like a fortress. Just look at this. I'm gonna show you this area briefly right now, and I'm gonna make a separate video about this place. So after watching it, please check it out, the full video where I gonna explore this entire place. Just look at this. Here is the Russian doll, people making photos with it. And look at this, how many details. Look at the shirt this boy wearing, traditional Russian shirt. And look at this. Traditional Russian ornaments. Look at this. Different faces. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please check it out, the special video about this place. I'm gonna go there right now. Ta-da!